Going to be teaching you how you can create an ID card you'll be using to confirm your identity on Facebook. I believe if you have been advertising on Facebook, you're going to see that Facebook restrict accounts from time to time, and for you to be able to get access back into the account, you need to confirm your identity if you have not confirmed your identity. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you, how to create a fake ID that you're going to be using to confirm your identity. Like, this is one of the best things you will ever learn, because from my experience, other ID card hardly confirm identity on Facebook, but this is the particular ID card that is really working here in Nigeria. This is specifically for Nigerians, yeah, because it is a Nigerian ID card. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. The two things you'll be needing for this tutorial is an app called PixArt. Yes, and you need the updated version of it so that you'll be able to do what you are supposed to do in the app. And you need this template right here. This template I'm using to I used to design this. You can see this ID card you have here is already designed, so I'm going to show you how you can design something like this from scratch. So those are the two things you'll be needing: the PixArt app, yeah, and the template. Okay, if you need this stuff, you can just chat on the comment section, yeah, in the comment box, or there will be a link provided there to chat me on WhatsApp. Yes, it is not free because this template is really expensive, and the app is the paid version that you can use it to design whatever you want. You don't have to keep paying Google from time to time. It is a paid version already, so all you need to do is just install it and it start working. Both of those apps will be going down for just 5,000 naira, and it's for just a short time because it is really valuable. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. Okay, I'm just going to put the template that is required so you can see there. Okay, I think this is it. This is the template that you need to work with. So now the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that your names on the Facebook account that you want to confirm the identity is going to be the same name you are using here. If you are one of those people that use names that are not your names, or this kind of funny names that they use on Facebook, like world famous blah blah blah, you have to go to Facebook and change those things accordingly, your surname, your first name and middle name, and wait for some time, like for some days, 3 to 4 days, before you design your ID card and ask for and confirm your identity. So let's get in. Now the first thing we'll be doing is writing our surname. You can see there, surname. So let's just go to the text. I believe you know how to edit already, so I'll go to the text and I'll type in my surname. Let me say my surname is Okoro, for example. My surname is Okoro. So I'm just going to click on this. Now the font you are going to be using is called Helvetica Bold. Yes, if you are using the paid version, you are going to see it. That is if you are using this one. But if you are not using the paid version, you can't see this stuff. You have to use the paid version. That is why you need to get it. Okay, this is the font you are going to be using, Helvetica Bold. So all you want to do is you want to contrast and enlarge. So I'm going to zoom in so that you can see properly and I'll be able to edit well. I'm just going to make this smaller. How did I make it smaller? You can see this arrow by the side here, this double-headed arrow. That is what I'm using to enlarge and contrast it. Okay, so let's continue. I'm just going to make it more smaller. If you want to zoom in, if you want to move, you use your two hands, you zoom in. That is how you do it here. So let's move. I'm going to make it smaller again and zoom in properly. I believe you can follow me because I'm using my phone to do this, so it's very easy. This is what I've been doing, and I get paid. I charge per 10,000 naira for me to design your ID card for you, and it's very okay and acceptable. So that's my name. This is the name we are going to be using, Okoro. So we want to write our first name. All you have to do is just duplicate it, and you just click. You can see where I'm clicking on the screen, on the top of the screen. You click on it and you click on duplicate. So you are going to edit this other one. You double tap on it. So my first name will be let me say John, for the sake of this tutorial, John. Make sure the names you are using is the same you have on your Facebook account you want to confirm. Okay, so let's go. John, I'm just going to put it here, first name. Yeah, the app has helped me align it. I'm going to repeat the same step, duplicate. For the middle name, double tap on the John. My middle name, okay, Emeka. Now I have to hold here. You can see this line. You see, you have to put it on a straight line. So hold this slide I'm pointing at right now. You hold it and you draw it backward for it to be able to enlarge, be on a straight line. Sorry, I will draw it backward. You see that? Then I'll put it here. So you can see everything are aligned now. Okay, everything is aligned. Okay, you can see. So that is that. I'm also going to duplicate this. The next thing is the date of birth. I'm going to duplicate it, double tap on it, your date of death. The first thing that comes first is the day. Let me use 17. Then the next thing is the month. It's depending on how the month is. If it's the month that has December, November, you just the 31st letter and you put your full stop and your year. So let me just put July. Let me put July. Then what year am I going to? 1997. Let me use 1997. Okay, the same process. You hold here and draw it backward for it to be on a straight line. That's just what you want to do. Then you come here, you enlarge in. Now there's one thing you must note here. You can see this issue date here. There's this issue date here. Make sure your date of birth and this issue date is of the same level and size. Okay, so I'm just going to make this more smaller. I'm gonna make it more smaller, put it here. Okay, I think this will do. Yeah, now there's something I'm going to do here. I'm going to scroll down here. You can see I'm scrolling down here. I'm going to click on strokes. I'm going to click on strokes. So once I click on stroke, I'm going to change the color of the stroke to black. Why am I doing this? I want to make it look a little bit thicker, just like the issue date. You can see the 05 in that issue date is a little bit thicker. So you want to do the same thing for your date of birth. So I'm just going to reduce the amount of the stroke to maybe 9 or so, or 10. You see that? So I think this is enough for me. Yes. Okay, let me bring it down a little bit. This thing is what you can play over, and you get what you want out of it. So that's just what you need to do. Okay, I'm making sure that they have the same height. I think this is okay for me. Yeah, now the next thing you want to do is you want to also duplicate this so you can put in your sex. You can see it down here, sex. Cut it down here, sex. You want to put in your sex. Okay, so what is your sex? What gender are you? Are you a male or a female? If you are a male, you put in M, just capital letter M. If you are a female, you put in capital letter F. So that's it. So I'm just going to enlarge in and come to the side of the sex. I'm going to carry this stuff. I'm going to carry it and place it under my sex. Yeah, that's just what you want to do. I believe for those of us that have this permanent ID, you know that this is almost the same way it looks like in every of your you know, this is the same way it look like. So I think we are done with the names and date of birth. You can see this is how you want it to look like when you are done with your name and your date of birth and your gender, that is your sex. Okay, now the next thing for us to do is to add the picture. Now you want to make sure that the picture you are adding is the picture you have on your display on your profile pics on that account you want to confirm. So it's either you go there and save it, or then come here and use it here. So let me just look for a picture and show you how it's been done. So I'm just going to click on add photo. You can see down here. I'm going to click on add photo. So once I click on add photo, I'm just going to select a photo I'm going to use. Let me just look for some a photo I'm going to use for this tutorial. Okay, let me use this. So I'm just going to add it. Now you want to make sure it looks like a passport. So once the photo is being imported, the first thing you want to do, you want to crop it. You can see crop at the bottom right of the screen. You click on it, then you crop it to a passport, make it look like a passport. Even if the photo you have on your profile picture on Facebook is not like a passport, you can crop it and just make it look like a passport. The face, you crop out the legs and other unnecessary parts and make it look like a passport. Okay, I think you are good to go here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to remove background. Look at it here, remove background is down there. After the opacity, you have remove background. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and it's going to pop up like this. I'm going to click on remove background and the background is going to be taken away. Hope you are following. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'll need you to subscribe to this channel because I upload quality content. These are content that people pay for to learn, but I'm going to be uploading quality content like this from time to time. So click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload things like this, you'll be notified first. And also like and share this video to whosoever it might be helpful to. Thank you. Okay, now the background has been removed. The next thing you want to do is that you want to duplicate this photo, because one is going to be at the up right and the down left. So let's go. Click on this stuff up here that is close to the eraser sign. You click on it and you click on duplicate. Now you put one here, you take the other one here. Now you zoom in to enlarge this one. I'm going to enlarge this. You see that? Yeah, I'm going to zoom in to enlarge this. So you position it right here. I think here will do. Yeah, this is really okay. That's where the first one has to be. Yeah, that's it. That's okay. Now come here, you make this one smaller. Make it smaller, holding the double-headed arrow. Make it smaller. You're enlarging, you place it here, right here. I believe you guys are following. So that is what you are going to do. Let me make it more wider. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna place it right here. So that is it, and that is it. You see this? So that is how you want your ID to look like. That is how you want it to look like. Okay, make sure it's something like this. Yeah, make sure it's something like this. Okay, you see that? Make sure it's something like this. So this is how you want to make it look. Now the last part of it, you want to sign on this. And how are you going to do that? So after you finish doing all this, you are just going to click on this good sign at the right top of your phone. Click on the good sign. Once you click on the good sign, it's going to take you out. Then you are going to look for brushes. You're going to look for brushes here. You can see it here, brushes. Down here, you just scroll, you see there, brushes. You click on the brushes. Now you're going to click on the first brush you have there. Click on the first brush you have here. You see this? You click on it. So once you click on it, then you sorry, you're going to click on the second, not the first. Sorry, you're going to click on the first. You're going to click on the first, then you select the black pen, the black color, because you want to sign on your what's it called, your ID card. You click on the black color. So once you click on the black color, you enlarge into this area. I'm enlarging in under your passport here, and you try to sign something that is really reasonable, that looks professional. So let me see. Okay, no, this is really large, so you undo this. Now you want to make it, you want to reduce the size of the pen. How are you going to reduce the size of the pen? Just click on this stuff here. You see, I tapped on. Now you click on it. You see that place I drew the red pen on. Once you click on it, you see the size is going to come out. The size is 12. All you want to do is to like let me say 5 or 6. 6 is okay. That's it. then you sign again. You make sure your signature looks professional as possible. Yeah, I think this is okay for me. Make sure your signature look professional and presentable. Don't make it too thick. This size is okay, from 6 to between 3. That's the size you're supposed to use. So this is how to design your national ID card that you're going to use to confirm your identity on Facebook. As simple as this, and within 24 hours your account is going to be reinstated. Your account is going to be reinstated. I will make a video on how to request and request for a review. Yes, on Facebook. After confirming your identity, you have to request for a review. There's a certain way that you need to do it to avoid Facebook blocking you totally. Having an ID card only does not make you to be your account to be reinstated. You need to know what to do to get your account reinstated. So if you want me to do that video, just comment on the section box, on the comment box. Just comment there on the comment box. Tell me you want me to do the video on how to get a restricted ad account back. So that is it. That is all for the video. All you have to do now, after creating it, you just click on the good sign here. Once you click on the good sign, you click on the download button. Got the download button here. You click on it. So once you click on it, you are good to go. So you click on save as JPEG, not PNG. Save as JPEG. Then you press save. So saved to gallery. It has been saved. So you can go to your gallery and view it. Then you upload it to your on Facebook. So that is it. See you in the next video.